Good morning. This is All India Radio Kohima. The morning news read by Jonas Yentan. Union Minister of State for Environment, Forest and Climate Change and Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Ashwini Kumar Choubey yesterday announced the sanction of Centre's special grant of 20 crore rupees to Nagaland under Compensatory Afforestation Fund Management and Planning Authority CAMPA for rehabilitation and discouraging Jhum cultivation in the state. The Union Minister, who was on a visit to Nagaland, made the announcement during a press briefing held last evening at Kohima. He said although the state does not fulfill the criteria to qualify for the funds, it is a first of its kind that PM Modi has sanctioned as a gift to the people of Nagaland, especially to the farmers. Choubey informed that the government has decided to fund 36 schools in Nagaland under Nursery School Scheme, an initiative of the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change to connect young students with plants, create sense of belonging and oneness with nature, sensitivity towards plants and living environment. He said 50,000 rupees will be given to 36 schools for nursery, while 40,000 rupees will be funded to meet the expenditure of the gardener. Highlighting on his visit to JICA assisted Nagaland Forest Management Project site at Kohima Old Village, the Union Minister expressed his admiration on the simplicity of the people. As an encouragement, the Minister donated 10,000 rupees to Kohima Village Council for promoting works in forestry. He also extended another financial aid of 10,000 rupees for education of a child from the village who are keen in promoting and preserving forest and environment. He informed that among the 132 polluted cities in the country, Kohima and Dimapur were also selected under the National Clean Air Program. The minister said Nagar One scheme envisaged in developing 200 urban forests across the country in the next 5 years, of which includes the state of Nagaland. He said under the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana Phase 4, 7,023 metric tons of free food grains have been procured by Nagaland, of which about 10 lakh population in the state are being benefited. He said 13 licensed for hallmarking under Consumer Affairs have been issued so far to Nagaland, for which 11 are of gold and 2 are of silver. Project Director Administration, Finance and Procurement, Timchin Yapang Jamir said that 20 crore project will be funded in 6 districts of eastern part of Nagaland, including Woka district. President Ramnath Kovind yesterday conferred the National Florence Nightingale Award 2020 to Deputy Director General of Military Nursing Service, Brigadier S.V. Saraswati. She has been conferred the award in a virtual ceremony for her immense contribution to the MNS as nurse administrator. Brigadier Saraswati, as a renowned Operation Theatre nurse, has assisted in more than 3,000 life-saving and emergency surgeries and has trained residents, operation room nursing trainees and auxiliary staff in her career. National Florence Nightingale Award is the highest national distinction a nurse can achieve for selfless devotion and exceptional professionalism. Youth Affairs and Sports Minister Anurag Thakur yesterday virtually interacted with sports ministers of states and union territories across the country to discuss the further promotion of sports in the country. Following the major success of the Olympics and Paralympics in Tokyo, Thakur discussed with ministers on the ways forward and how states will contribute in a mission to make India a top sporting nation. The promotion of school-level sports and support to the School Games Federation of India was another key point of discussion. And as the nationwide free COVID-19 vaccination campaign at government facilities for those above 18 years is going on, we advise our young listeners to get vaccinated and also help others to get vaccinated. We also advise our listeners not to lower the guard as COVID-19 remains a threat to our health. Please stay at home unless it is essential to go out and continue to follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 6 feet for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact national helpline numbers 011-2397-8046 and 1075 and state helpline number 1800-345-0019. With that, we come to the end of the morning news. Have a nice day.